Dude, I'm oily. It's like 80
And
degrees.
we're live. Hey guys, what's going on? You got Jonathan and Ryan here. That was
What's
clutch.
what's going on, guys? How we doing?
All right, so this is one of the sloppier lives I've been part of, but hey, it ain't the worst thing in the world because we're gonna bring you some information that'll actually help you. All right, and a lot of it revolves around what you should and should not be using a line of credit for. All right, now I'm gonna break down um, what it should be used for and definitely what it shouldn't be used for, and then we will go into setting up your business with different programs to making sure you have what you need to grow. Okay. So line of credit, real quick, real simple, real easy. The short-term program, meaning it's going to run anywhere from 6 to 24 months. You only want to be using a line of credit for short-term needs. Okay. So inventory, supplies, adding to your staff, marketing, things that you do every single month. All right. That's what you use a line of credit for. And if you're really smart, you put everything on a credit card, get the points, pay it off at the end of every month with a line of credit, and then after you do that, pay off that line of credit. Okay? Because what you're doing is you're giving yourself a free 30 days where you're accumulating points and you're paying it down. So you're getting the points for free, and then you're good to go. Your credit's in it perfect. You're building business credit. You're showing that you can handle a line of credit, and everything in your business is running the right way. What you shouldn't use a line of credit for, long-term things like buying equipment, starting a different business, anything that, buying a building for sure. That's the exact opposite of what you want to be using a line of credit for, right? Those should be long-term uses. Um, Super important that people understand that. And every single business needs a line of credit. The reason why you need a line of credit is opportunities come up and emergencies happen. Right now, I posted something earlier that 37% of businesses are struggling to pay their rent in full in the month of October, as per Bloomberg. Okay, if you had a line of credit, that wouldn't be the case, right? So what we're seeing is we're seeing people being overextended. If you need to consolidate debt, that's an SBA loan all day long. But the short term or a term loan, right?
Yeah, just depends on how long you've been in business, right? For the SBA.
Yeah, correct. Now, the reason why Ryan's here is he has a unique program that a lot of our clients need and get into, right? And they use it to consolidate debt, they use it to start a business, and that's a term loan. It's only going to go off of, I'll let Ryan talk to you about it. Right? Tell us about a term loan.
I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It's going to be based off of your income, right? Your provable income, not your total sales, right? Provable income is what's based off of your 1040, right? The AGI line, adjusted gross income. That's first thing, and then it's based on credit, right? So, crazy thing is, right now, you would think that some lenders would be tightening up, but I mean, we have people that have 620 plus credit that are getting approved for 200K. So there's a lot of different options out there, and that's on a monthly payment. Something like that. I don't know if I would really use all that to pay off. I mean, you'd have to have a lot of unsecured debt to use that to pay off. But like for credit cards, these loans are perfect for credit cards. Like if you have $50,000 worth of credit card debt, the benefit is you're gonna change the compound interest into a simple interest. It's going to be a fixed rate, and you're going to see a pretty big boost in the credit score as long as you use that money to pay off the credit cards, keep the credit cards open, and you don't close them out. That's going to be the important thing. So utilization is like 30 to 35% of your credit score. So it's a big deal.
Yeah, and here's another thing where term loans make more sense than an SBA loan. Any business that you're trying to start up that's under 350K, okay? If you need less than 350,000 or you're trying to buy a business, okay? I suggest this question came up. I was doing a training to an entire group earlier. Someone asked me, well, I got to buy into a business for 400 grand. I have an existing business. I want to get them as much of that as possible up front. How do I do that? I told them we have a quick SBA loan program that they can get 150 really quick. He's a friend, an existing client. I know he'll qualify. And then I told him, get the other 100 to 150 with a term loan and tell him the rest of the money will come in 4 months. Okay, so we're going to do an SBA and a term loan, which keeps the payments nice and low. Buy that business and then take out another SBA right after it. So it really is great for people that are trying to start a business and they need less than 100 or 150,000. And guys, it's using the right type of financing. I say this all the time. I feel like I'm gonna turn blue in the face, as blue as the wall behind me. But the truth of the matter is, think about it. Like, if you need to start a business and you need the money quickly, the SBA is not gonna do it. Okay, if you keep your credit strong, 660 or better, and you make at least $50,000 a year on the books, a term loan is the way to go about it. And every single business needs a line of credit. You need it for emergencies, for opportunities, to build business credit, and for growth. There's no excuses. If you don't have one, you need to reach out. I don't care if you even use us, use somebody else. I don't care. Have a line of credit ready. If you want help, we'll be here to help you. Right? Same thing. Stop starting businesses with bad credit and not enough money. Like, gone are the days where there's glory to people that are bootstrapping businesses. Okay, we're not in that environment anymore.
No, definitely not.
You know, your credit is if cash is king, credit's definitely queen. So keep
Yeah.
your credit strong and be able to take advantage. Right. I took two of them.
Yeah. I've had multiple loans.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I think another important thing is, we're talking about having good credit and managing your credit. I mean, just having different types of credit, just like you just said with, what you talk, it's actually something that you said that I'd never even thought about, but yeah, use the credit card, pay everything on the credit card, pay the credit card off with a line of credit. You're building credit by showing that, line of credit, that creditor that you can make those payments. And then
Yep.
boom, you're showing really good business credit, which is how you're going to get a bigger line of credit because you can show your value. Same thing with personal credit. The more you use your credit cards, the more you pay them off, the more you are on time, the faster you're going to get approvals. Or sorry, the faster you're going to get higher credit limits and just, be able to qualify for better things.
Yeah, think about that, dude. Imagine if you could float all your bills for 60 days for free.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's what you can do if you schedule everything out and do it the right way.
Yeah.
Plus you're getting the points. Like I know, well, this is old information. Back in the day, I could fly anywhere I wanted to for free. Unfortunately, JetBlue and Delta don't really fly too conveniently out of Tampa. But back in the day, I had enough points I could fly anywhere at any given point, take my family to Hawaii basically for free, using points. And now, not so much, but hey, we're getting there. We're getting there. Certain destinations are free. Others might as well pay for.
That's right. No, it's definitely a great something that you have to do. More people should take advantage of that. I know a lot of people are scared of credit cards. It's the most important thing to do and to have.
Yeah. Listen, at the end of the day, people are scared of what they don't know and don't understand. Okay? Just bottom line. If you understand credit, if you understand how credit cards work, if you understand how SBA and lines of credit work, equipment financing, you'd be much more comfortable with it. So you want to go to someone that can actually explain everything to you, show you what the right program is, and how to apply it to grow your business. Okay? Bottom line, knowledge is power here. And if you're doing things the right way, doing things the way they're supposed to be done, you'll build a lot faster, a lot quicker, with a lot less stress this way, as opposed to paying cash for it.
Absolutely.
Yeah. What else you got for us, Ryan?
I just was trying to think of a couple of other, scenarios where you're talking about using the lines of credit to pay off credit cards. I mean, again, it's just whatever you could do to have a variety of, different types of financial instruments, whether it be credit cards, lines of credit, the SBA, like you're talking about. I mean, it's so important to have that and to make sure you make the payments on time and get them completed and taken care of, because that's going to help you be a good borrower and qualify for more things in the future. That's the most important thing. Pay your bills on time.
Yeah. I mean, using everything in conjunction when your business is set up right from a payment processing standpoint to a business credit standpoint to having a line of credit and to knowing what program you need for what you're trying to accomplish will save you a ton of money and a lot of stress. All right, so tune in every day. We're gonna do we're not a couple times a week. We're gonna do these, and I think it's super important for you to get on. If you heard something that you like, please share this. Right, like I'm not asking anything. I'm doing this to help you guys. Ryan could be uh, busy in work right now, and he's coming on to share his expertise. So please, if you like this, just share it. We want to get it out to more people. We appreciate you guys. Ryan, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks
And
for having me.
maybe we'll do another one later on Thursday that has to do with credit and credit alone.
Nice.
All right, guys. Take care. Ryan, appreciate it. Thanks,
Thank
James.
you.
Take care.